In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete responses on Google Forms. Google Forms is a versatile tool used for various purposes, from surveys to RSVPs. Sometimes you collect responses that you no longer need, or maybe you're testing the form and want to clear test entries before the actual data collection begins. Whatever the reason, Google Forms allows you to delete these responses individually or altogether, ensuring your data remains accurate and relevant. Let's start the process by signing into your Google account. You'll head over to Google Sites first. Don't worry, it's a straightforward procedure. Once there, you'll see a Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Fill it in, hit next, and then enter your password on the following page. Once you've done so, simply click Sign In and you'll be ready to move to the next step. Now that you're logged into your Google account, you need to navigate to your Google form. If you've got multiple forms, you'll find them all listed here. Select the one from which you want to delete responses. This will take you directly to your forms backend, where you can edit questions and view responses. Upon accessing your form, locate the Responses tab. It's typically found right next to the Questions tab at the top of your screen. Clicking on it will reveal all the responses that your Google form has collected over time. To delete a specific response, you will need to switch to the individual view. This view allows you to see each response separately. Once in the individual view, navigate through the responses until you find the one you wish to delete. Next to every individual response, you'll notice a trash can icon. When you've decided which response needs to go, simply click on this icon. This action prompts a confirmation dialog box asking if you're sure you want to delete the response. Google wants to ensure that the deletion is intentional, as this action cannot be undone. If you're sure, click on Yes. And that's it. The response will be permanently removed from your form. A few tips to remember: deleting responses is irreversible. Once you delete a response, there is no way to retrieve it, so be certain before you proceed. So, if you want to keep the data for future reference before deleting, consider downloading the responses as a spreadsheet. This way you can maintain a record offline while keeping your Google Forms responses tidy. Regularly clearing out test responses before formal data collection begins can help in maintaining the accuracy of the results collected. That wraps up how to delete responses from Google Forms. Whether you're tidying up after testing or removing irrelevant entries, the process is simple and quick. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.